Hi, my name is Ashley. I am a registered dietitian at the Cardiovascular Institute at Lifespan. Today we are doing an Eating for Heart Health study that includes a cook prep demo for cardiovascular disease patients. Today I'm going to show you 3 simple but effective heart healthy recipes that are also budget friendly. I'm going to start with overnight oats. So this is a way to cook oatmeal without actually having to do the cooking. We have oats here, almond milk. This is an unsweetened almond milk. You can also use skim milk if that's your preference. We also have a Greek yogurt here in case you want to add some extra protein, some cinnamon, and some ground flax. So this ground flax can add a little extra fiber, and it might also add some omega-3s for you if you like to add that. You can also use chia seeds instead. So I'm going to show you how to prepare it. So you will need some type of jar that you can either microwave or maybe you prefer to eat it cold. So we're going to put the oats in the jar. So here I have a half a cup of rolled oats. I have 3/4 of a cup of unsweetened almond milk. You might need to use the whole 3/4 of a cup. You might need less depending on your preference for thickness of the oatmeal. You can put some blueberries in there. So these are fresh blueberries. For budget purposes, you can also use frozen berries of any kind. And then we also have cinnamon here to flavor it, and the ground flax. So all you're gonna do is close up the jar and shake it up, or you can also take a spoon and stir it if you prefer that way. So this you're going to put in the refrigerator overnight and you can eat it the next day. You can also take this and prepare multiple in advance for the whole week so that you can be ready for your breakfast in the morning. So this is what a pre-prepared overnight oats looks like. This one has frozen berries. And as you can see, it has the berries, the oats, and this one is using soy milk for the protein. So now we're going to make our heart-healthy, economical, easy lunch, which is rice, beans, and vegetables. It only requires 5 ingredients, which are frozen vegetables here. You can use fresh or frozen, brown rice, a low-sodium salsa, low-sodium black beans, and then spices of your choice. So we're going to start by taking the brown rice and cooking it in the microwave. This is a nice, easy 90-second package of brown rice. So all you have to do is massage it, tear open the package, and put it in the microwave for 90 seconds. And while we're waiting for the rice to cook, we can take our bell peppers that are frozen, and you just want to put it over the stovetop on a pan on medium heat. Heating up. So what you're going to do is either add olive oil, or you can take water and pour it in. So about 2 tablespoons, maybe 3 tablespoons of water, so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. So while these veggies are cooking, we're going to add in some spices and herbs. So here I have a mixture of cumin, coriander, cayenne, and a little bit of fresh cilantro. So you want to mix that evenly through until all the vegetables are coated and flavorful. So now I'm going to grab the rice from the microwave. And we can pour about a cup of it into the bowl. So now we have the cup of brown rice in the bowl. We're going to add a half a cup of beans. These are low sodium canned beans. About 2 to 3 tablespoons of low sodium salsa. And then of course we want to load it up with vegetables, so about a cup. And this can be any type of vegetable. It could include peppers and onions. It could be a stir-fry mix, it could be broccoli, whatever you prefer. So here is our heart-healthy, economical brown rice, black beans, veggie lunch. Now I'm going to make a heart-healthy dinner. All it is whole wheat pasta, frozen vegetables, again you can use fresh if that's your preference, low sodium marinara sauce, low sodium canned beans, and spices of your choice. Here we have Mrs. Dash because it is a low sodium option. So to start it out, we are going to use the low sodium marinara sauce and heat it up on the stovetop. This one is a basil marinara sauce, but you can get any flavor of your preference as long as it's low sodium. While that is heating up, we are going to take our frozen vegetable pack, and if you have one like this that's steam fresh in the bag, you can pop it right into the microwave. So this brand requires about 4.5 minutes in the microwave. It will be different depending on different brands of frozen vegetables. Now, while we wait for the vegetables to cook, I'm going to add in the spices to the sauce. This will add extra flavor as the sauce is low sodium, so it doesn't have a lot of salt in it. So I can smell it heating up. Now I'm going to pour about 1/2 cup over our pasta. This pasta has already been cooked ahead of time, and this is about 1 cup serving of pasta. Now I'm going to add the chickpeas on top of the pasta, and remember, these are low sodium canned chickpeas. So I've taken my vegetables out of the microwave, they're cooked now, and you can either pour this on top, mix it all together, or maybe have it on the side like this. You could also do a salad if you want to do that for a fresh vegetable on the side. That's our heart-healthy dinner consisting of whole wheat pasta, low sodium marinara, chickpeas, and veggies. Now that you know how easy these meals are to make, let's go over how budget-friendly they are. This overnight oat meal is only $4 to make. This rice and beans dish is only $3 to make. And this pasta and bean dish is only $4 to make. So if you were to eat these heart-healthy meals for your day, it would only be about $12. I hope you enjoyed these easy heart-healthy recipes, and I hope you try them at home.